Hello everybody, I just wanted to give you guys a walkthrough of what iSchool looks like and how you can go through these lessons on your own. We now have full material for the semester, so we're able to get going for more into social studies. You will want to always start in the unit folder, okay? In this unit folder, you will see all of the reading guides, you will see all of the assignments that are due for the unit. All right, I put in due dates that will help keep you guys on track. That will help you to follow along the pace in order to be done on time, and that will follow the pace that we do in class with the remote and in-person learners. I want to first show you how you need to go through these lessons. So first you're going to come into Who Needs Government. All right, for example, you're going to click into the lesson is what you'll always do first. And then personally, I don't like how this looks. I like it to be in its own tab. So I open it up, all right, so I can see it better. You will want to just always go through, you'll read by the objectives and see what it is you'll be learning about. There will be an activity or a video or something to get you started and get you thinking about the topic. And then you want to come down here and open up this travel journal. So open it in a new tab once again. Your travel journal shows you what you need to be taking notes on. So it's saying that at the end of this lesson, okay, however many days it takes you, whether if it's 1 day or 2, you should have these notes taken in your notes. Okay, in your notebook, in your electronic files, however it is you're doing it, you need to have whatever in the travel journals, you need to have those notes. There will be this nice little blue, kind of teal and brown link with a little eye here for you. Always open those travel journals, and that's how you know what to take notes on. Then you will just want to arrow through the different pages. Some will have reading, pictures, and those sort of things. They might have questions for you to think about. One feature I want to show you is how if there is a word that's underlined in a different color, if you hover over it or click on it, you will be able to see what the definition of that word is. So I've read that page, then I'm going to keep going through, right? We're taking our time, we're making sure we're getting the notes in the travel journal. So in our notebook, we're taking everything down. Okay, this one has videos, you're working your way through, you're completing everything that it's asking of you. Some it might be a discussion, some it might be this. For example, where you will come and drag and drop the correct term to the definition. Some of it might be a little quiz at the end. It will change. But then the most important part is to go on the last page, because this is the page that will have your instructions for your assignments. So if you look down here, you see how there's a reading and assignment paired together for each one. You will want to go into, and when you open this assignment, you're going to say, well, I don't know what to do. There's nothing here. You do know what to do. It's on the last page of your lesson. It'll tell you exactly what to do, what to answer. It might give you a rubric. It might give you a kind of a template to go off of, but it will give you all of the instructions that are needed for you to turn it in here into Schoology. All right, so that was just a crash course into these Florida virtual lessons that I wanted to show you guys. Okay, this pattern will repeat itself through all the lessons. Some of them you might be able to get done in 30 minutes. Some of them might take 3 or 4 days to be able to fully get through and to fully understand. Start out, work your way through, and let me know when you have any questions.